alive. Another day above soil. Like I said in many of my other videos, I've done a lot of wall hangings. I've done a lot of visual art, just like the ones you see around me. I want to switch things up just a tad bit. Other than doing all of this other artwork, I like to do other things on the side. I like to make drink coasters. Of course, you already know about the clocks that I make. I make picture frames. I've actually thought about making jewelry boxes or storage boxes. I've already made a couple of these boxes before this video got shot. And with some of the prototypes that I've sent it to somebody who was in one of my bowling leagues. And she was like, "Oh my God, these are so lovely. Thank you so much." If these jewelry boxes gave her so much joy, I think I'm on to something. Maybe this video, and the next video, maybe the video after that, I'm gonna be making boxes. These are the new items from my Pandora's Box collection. Legend has it that there was somebody who opened up Pandora's box. And when they opened up Pandora's box, it unleashed demons into the world. But when people open up my Pandora's boxes, it doesn't unleash demons. It shall bring about good spirits and vibes to all of the world. So without any further ado, if you want to make artwork or if you want to make stuff with me, go right ahead. Y'all best be ready, because we're about to do another time lapse. Before we part ways and leave, I have a relatively important question to ask of you. If you went to sleep tonight and you didn't wake up the next day, would you truly be satisfied with the life that you lived? If your answer is no, then it's most definitely time to do some soul searching and think about some of the changes that you need to make with your life. I say this because there's a lot of things within our society that discriminate. Death, however, does not discriminate. I want to thank y'all so much for watching my content. If this is your first, second, third, or whatever time watching, hit that subscribe button. It's right down below. I'm also going to include my Etsy and Instagram right within the description. I leave you all with much love, good spirits, and vibes. I want to wish y'all a happy holidays. And until next time, I see y'all later. I'm out.